Hey guys, welcome back to How to DIY and Save a Dime. Today I'm going to show you my quick and easy, tasty recipe, egg salad. Quick and easy. This is something that you can just throw together. Most of the time we have eggs in our refrigerator, right? So we're going to do a quick and easy egg salad. I'm going to show you my recipe. This is one of many. I have several different ones. I got a spicy one, sort of like a barbecue one. I have several different ones. But this one right here is one that I definitely wanted to share with you. And this is like more of my basic one. And the kids love it. So let's get into it. You already know you have to boil your eggs. And I have a video on how to get really good boiled eggs where your eggs are not peeling and breaking and lumping off and all that great stuff. So I got a great video on how to boil eggs because some people don't know how to boil eggs and get the shells off them the right way. So let's get into this video. Now, when you make egg salad, you know you have to chop these eggs up, right? But let me show you what I do because I'm not going to sit here and chop up all these eggs. We're going to go with, boom, we're going to do with our pastry cutter. I'm going to go in and chop these eggs up with my pastry cutter. This saves so much time, guys. This saves so much time, so much time. You don't have to worry about chopping all those eggs up. And you can do this like in literally less than a minute. I've chopped like 9 eggs up without doing it by hand. Like this. I should have got my bigger bowl, but oh well. Still giving you guys the idea of it. This pastry cutter is a lifesaver. I use this for so many different things. Even when I make my meatless tacos, I use this to get my beans nice and chopped up. So yeah, look at that. Less than a minute, we have chopped eggs using the pastry cutter. All right, let's go to the next step. All right, we're gonna put these in this bowl because this is the bowl that I like to put in the refrigerator. All right, so let's talk about these ingredients. We have black pepper, parsley, paprika, spicy brown mustard, honey, ranch, onion powder, garlic powder, seasoning of your choice. I like to use Goya adobo, and we have some mayo. All right, so let's get into this. We're gonna start off with the mustard, and that's gonna be about a good tablespoon of mustard. Then we're gonna do black pepper, about a good half teaspoon. We're gonna do our parsley. That's about a good teaspoon. We're gonna do some paprika. That's gonna be about a good half teaspoon. Trust me, these ingredients, when they are mixed, is amazing. So that's gonna be about a teaspoon of that. If you don't like sweet stuff, it's not gonna be real sweet, you can omit that. And we're gonna put like a good 3 tablespoons of the ranch. And then we're gonna do the garlic onion powder. And that's gonna be about a good, I love the onion powder in this, teaspoon. Now, sometimes I'll put onions in it. I'm not a relish girl for my egg salad. And then I put about half a teaspoon of garlic. And then we're gonna put like a 1/4 teaspoon of the seasoning. And then we're gonna add some mayo. This is not difficult, it's real simple. And it's great to have in the fridge. You can eat this with crackers, and you can also eat this with bread. So yeah, let's get all this good stuff out. Let me get all this out and I'll be right back. All right, so now that we have all that in there, we can mix this up and see what the consistency looks like. And usually I would add more either ranch or mayo. But I think we are on point and we don't need to do anything. I've been doing this for so long that I just kind of get it right the first time. So here it is. This is the egg salad. And when I tell you, this is freaking amazing. You are going to love it, and I want you to try the recipe. Tell me how you like it. I will be putting my barbecue one up. I love it. Oh my gosh, on toasted bread. Now, you guys know I don't eat meat, and I really don't eat dairy like that. If I do indulge in anything, it will be dairy versus actual meat. So I am a pescatarian. I eat only seafood, and I'm non-dairy. But if I do, it would be cheese. I haven't got into the eggs or went into eating eggs again, but if so, it would be that. So let's do a taste test. You gotta try this. You gotta try this. You gotta try this. So that is it. That is how I make my egg salad. And let's get close so you can see all that goodness. That's how I make my egg salad. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, thumbs up the video. Make sure you share the video. And if you are new to my channel, I would like for you to be a part of my family by subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you're notified every time I load a new video, and you will not miss out, because sometimes I load random videos as well. And if you are liking it, share it with your friends and your family. There's lots of how-tos and DIYs on this channel. I promise you there's something for everybody. If there's a question you want to ask me, leave it in the comments below, or you can email me at cprforthebody@gmail.com. All of my stuff is in the description box. I will see you guys later, Gators.